Tell me about yourself.
My name is Nadia. I am 17 years old and I'm Mathayom 6/1 NP student.
How long have you been in the NP program?
I have been studying in NP for 9 years.
How has the NP program helped you improve your English?
As everyone knows, we learn English with native speakers, so students have to speak English in class, and that's make me more confident when I have to use English in public. And also speaking English every day can help me improve my pronunciation. The NP program also helped me improve my writing ability, so we don't have to remember our English tenses, but we can learn grammar from our grammatical error and also from communication. And I recently got accepted to study Mahidol International College in biological science, and yeah, I have to use English every day when I study there.
Great. And what is your best memory of NP?
The best memory of NP is when I was Mathayom 4, I went to the Elephant Nature Camp. From that time, I know that NP didn't provide us with just knowledge, but also gives us a life experience.